Hi friends, welcome to MX Decor. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I am gonna show you modern water feature for your garden or your backyard or your front yard. Water features are highly valued in home gardens for several reasons. Here are some of the key importance of having a water feature in a garden. Number 1. Aesthetic appeal. Water features add beauty and visual interest to any garden. They create a focal point that enhances the overall aesthetics of the space. The sight and sound of flowing water can be incredibly soothing and relaxing, creating a very beautiful atmosphere in the garden. Number 2. Wildlife attraction. Water features act as magnets for various forms of wildlife, including birds, butterflies, and frogs. They provide a vital water source for these creatures, attracting them to your garden. The presence of wildlife adds to the biodiversity of the garden and creates a more vibrant and dynamic ecosystem. Improved air quality. Water features have a natural air purification effect. As water flows and evaporates, it helps to increase humidity in the surrounding area. This can be particularly beneficial in drying or air climate. Additionally, the movement of water helps to filter out dust, particles, and pollutants from the air, leading to the cleaner and fresher air in the garden. Number 4. Relaxation and stress relief. The sound of the trickling water is known to have a calming effect on the mood and body. The gentle sounds of a water feature can mask unwanted noise from the surroundings, creating a peaceful environment where you can unwind and de-stress. Spending time near a water features can promote relaxation and provide a sense of peace. Number 5. Cooling effect. Water features can help to cool the surrounding area, especially during hot summer months. The evaporation of water from the features can create a cooling effect, making the garden more comfortable for outdoor activities. The presence of water also helps to moderate temperature and create a microclimate within the garden. Number 6. Feng Shui and symbolism. In many cultures, water is associated with positive energies, abundance, and prosperity. Incorporating a water feature in the garden with the principles of Feng Shui promoting harmony and balance, it is believed that flowing water attracts positive energy and brings good fortune for the home. Overall, a water feature in a garden or in a home garden as visual appeals, attracts wildlife, improves air quality, promotes relaxation, cools the environment and carries symbolic meaning. It enhances the overall garden experience, creating a harmonious and inviting outer space. I hope this video is very helpful in choosing water feature for your garden. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.